Have you ever been in a meeting where people talk, suggest ideas, but no one actually decides? Or someone says something and you're not sure how to agree naturally without sounding too strong or too quiet? Let's walk through a real workplace situation. Okay, we've got two versions of the homepage. One is more detailed, more explanation. The other is cleaner, more visual. Yeah, the first explains better, but the second is easier to read. Ah, all right. Let's go with the cleaner version. So here, let's go with is the chunk, is the phrase, and it's doing one job. It closes the discussion and moves the team to a decision. Let's go with this. Let's go with this. So, no long explanation, no voting, just direction. Let's go with this. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. I'll update the layout and send it later today. Sounds good. So, sounds good is a soft agreement. Sounds good. Yes, sounds good. You're simply saying, yes, that's fine. I'm fine with that. I'll need a few hours to adjust everything. Can we review it at 4 p.m.? Okay, that works. That works. So that works is slightly different. It's not about liking the idea. It's about, yes, it's workable. It's okay. That's fine. That fits the situation. 4 o'clock? Okay, that works. You'll hear this a lot when confirming time, plans, or logistics. Yes, that works. It works for me. That works. Should we still include that section, that question section at the bottom? Hmm, maybe not for now. Let's go with the simpler version first. So again, let's go with it brings the team back to a clear choice. Let's go with this. Okay, sounds good. You're agreeing. Notice the rhythm? Decision? Let's go with this. Agreement? Okay, sounds good. And then confirmation. Yes, that works. We may need to adjust the plans. Quick update. I might need more time. Can we push the review to tomorrow morning? Yeah, that works. Someone else says, okay, sounds good. So here both phrases are short. That's good. Sounds good. That works. So the plan is acceptable. That works. Works for me. That works. Sounds good. I'm happy to proceed. Sounds good. So just to confirm, updated version tomorrow morning, review at 9. Yes, sounds good. And we're going with that simpler, clearer layout. Yes, that works. So no long sentences, but everything is clear. So these are simple phrases, but they carry different roles. Let's go with this. Making a decision. Sounds good. That shows agreement. You're happy with it. Yeah, that works. You're confirming that something is practical and you're okay with it. So if you listen carefully in real meetings, you'll hear this pattern again and again. Decide, agree, and confirm. Yes, we'll go with this. That works. Yeah, sounds okay. So you don't need complex English to sound professional. You need the right phrases, the right chunks at the right moment.